They got cops over there playing with balls.
You got what?
They got cops over there playing with balls. Did you see them doing those circles?
Oh, the cops?
Yeah, I saw a bike, a cop. Alright, let's get this shit on the road. Going to the FoxPowerSports bike night. Got Mike behind me with ZX14. This FoxPowerSports new location, this is my first time going there. Gotta go check it out. I don't think this parking lot where they're having a meetup has any shade. And of course, I'm wearing my gear. Always wear your gear, peoples. Always. No matter if it's 90 degrees. Right now it's saying 89 on my dash. Hey, I don't know where the entrance is.
Huh?
I don't know where the entrance is. You go lead.
It's right after this. I'll turn in.
You go lead.
Oh, it's easy. You just like right up the edge. As soon as you come across the light.
Oh, okay. You lead. You go first.
It's hot, man.
Your fans are always on.
I know.
Oh yeah, I feel it right here. I want to do a lap. Quite a turnout.